Here for you. So my first crack is the pastel. No fuss. You know when you're making pastel, is have a whole team around the table. Mommy, granny, nene, and tanty, uncle, everybody around the table, and have a role to play. One man lazy pastel, I like to call this one, because all we do is rolling the pastel balls. Some nice pastel balls with all the pastel flavor. I have some mincemeat happening here, and I season the mincemeat really simple, some nice green seasoning, salt, pepper, that kind of thing, and I'm adding all the things you normally add to your pastel. The first couple of things really is the olives and the capers. I get that straight in there. Just like you do in your pastels, olives and capers, go in there and you mix. Once that gets going, your last thing going in is some raisins. And I'm going to put this on a nice low heat and just allow it to do its thing. So I want to thank the folks at Moricia Yellow Corn Flour for making this one possible. This is Nomad's simple ingredients to follow, simple measurements to follow, and you'll get your perfect cornmeal pastel mixture. I'm going for about two and a quarter kind of thing of this yellow cornmeal mixture. Now I need some hot water. So I have some hot water in this kettle here. And water, liquid to cornmeal mixture, very important. So I'm adding here exactly 4 cups of hot water. So I'm just adding some salt to my water, some sugar, and some butter. Butter. And I let that butter kind of just melt in there. It's really about seasoning the water and getting that water nice and flavorful. I like to do it in the water and not add it. So when I add my water to my cornmeal mixture, everything in there seasoned and looking good. So I'm adding now water into this cornmeal mixture. Important that the water is hot or at least warm. And you just ready now, just bringing this together, folding in that good Moricia cornmeal. Mix it in. So this is where you can now determine if you need more liquid or more corn flour. And just like that, it's getting to the texture, that nice smooth texture you're seeing there. That's what I'm looking for. Because this guy, where you normally know how to roll out pastel and full it and fold it and fig leaf. No, we going everything in here. Everything, all your pastel goodness right here. And I am giving this another full. Yeah. Everything kind of mixed in. Look at that, guys. Call it lazy man pastels, because all I am doing here now is taking a spoon and just like that, I get this pastel ball, all the pastel goodness in here, and all I have to do is lay it out in a nice baking dish. I'm going to roll some balls and get it baking in the oven, baking for no more than about 25 to 30 minutes in the oven. So all I need to do, guys, so I just really want to now dot them. So this is perfect for entertaining Christmas morning, Christmas evening, you have family coming across, Boxing Day. Don't let nobody tell you that you don't have pastels in your house. this Christmas because you can make pastel balls and have all the good pastel fun that everybody else having. Yeah, we cracking Christmas codes today, guys. I am so happy to have a musical couple. We talking couples, we talking music, and I talk Moricia and Nigel.
Wow.
And hear the song?
I wake up Christmas morning,
Hey,
I say I go in paranging.
whatever.
From the time I leave my home,
What?
I decide I'm tackling alone.
So happy to have you guys here.
Thank you for having
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So the first thing, as I said, I wanted to do, you make pastels, Moricia.
Yes.
You go through the whole.
The whole 9 years?
Yeah.
Yeah. 9.5.
It's
10
9.5, 10 years to
Yeah,
make
yeah.
pastels.
Yeah, it's very tedious.
It is. It is timeless, but it's so we love it. It's
Yeah.
so we love it.
And we ain't making pastel when you bite, you only getting
Flour.
flour.
Yeah.
We want
Meat.
pastel from meat at the first bite.
First, but here, that's a big pet peeve of mine.
Yeah.
When I cut the pastel,
Yeah.
and I cut.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
Yeah.
So you don't have that problem here, Nigel.
Nah, you can't have problem with them balls.
A ball you bite here.
Yeah.
You have meat. Yeah. So I want you guys to sample. So this is, as I said, a nice shortcut version.
yeah.
It even is, as I said, in addition to your pastels.
Yes.
You know, that you're entertaining, and it's a nice little pastel bowl that you can have. So dig in, guys. Try it.
That's a
Tell
nice
me,
idea.
tell me,
That's
tell
a
me.
nice idea.
Chow chow in the middle just in case.
But this is what I see in
Chow chow in the
here.
middle.
You know Richard, we eat it already. When we coming back again?
Tomorrow.
All right. Well, you try it. Let's
That's
see
a
some
nice
chow chow
idea.
too.
Must have a little chow chow.
No, Oli, I'm going to try and eat nicer on camera.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. I can't eat like I was. Eat home, you
Oh,
know.
yeah.
Nobody done throw that in your mouth, you know.
Yeah.
Whole ball.
More your mouth, everything. Ready? There we
You
go.
go ahead now when you're ready. You want I still got to.
I do like Mark Williams. Oh,
Oh
wow.
wow.
No, guys. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh, wow. No.
Pastel flavor.
No,
all
it's
in
really
one.
good.
One bowl.
Yeah. The
Simple.
flour is nice too.
Yeah, yeah. Thank
Really,
you,
really
Mama
nice.
Sita, for making it
Yeah,
possible.
thank you, Mama Sita.
Thank you, Mama Sita.
Mamacita.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Mama Sita. We're coming back.
Yeah, man.
Music in the house on this wonderful Christmas on Couple Joe. Moricia
Nigel.
and Nigel. We're coming back. We're going to learn a little bit about them, and they're going to be singing for us and entertaining us throughout the entire show. Come on back. Come on back.
I'm